This is the control board. The part of the board in question is the motor relay switch. If you look in the back, you'll see that the solder has blown off and not making contact with the board anymore. Assuming the relay switch is still good, we just need to resolder it to fix it. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, watch the rest of the video. If you do, I just saved you 4 minutes. This is my 20-year-old Kenmore HE4 dryer, which is similar to Whirlpool Duets, and most likely similar to all dryers electronically. As you can tell, it turns on but won't start. Listen carefully and you could hear a click when I hit the start. That's the motor relay switch. The key is that you can hear the click of the relay switch, which usually means the controller board is good except for the motor relay switch. The motor relay switch and control board are the last things you want to work on because it's probably the most complicated. It will require soldering skills. So I'm going to assume you've already gone through the most common fail points that can cause a turn on but won't start scenario. Here's a list to make sure you've checked those things. Before we get started, unplug the power. Take lots of pictures. I won't show you how to put it back together. The metal is sharp, so wear gloves. For this dryer, use a 1/4-inch socket to remove the screws. Remove the top cover, and on the left is the control board with more screws. Once opened, start pulling plugs, removing screws, and pop out the tabs. The official fix from a reputable repair shop would be to replace the entire board at a cost of about $200 just for the board. But we're doing this ourselves, so we've got options. Finally, here's the control board and the motor relay switch. Hopefully, the motor relay switch is still good. Otherwise, new ones are readily available on Amazon. And so is the control board. Look in the back, and you can immediately tell that one of the pins on the motor relay switch blew out. It took 20 years for this to happen. So all you have to do is solder the pin back to the circuit, and we should be good. And here it is. Here's a before and after shot of the soldered pin. And there you have it, the solution to turns on but won't start dryer. Please like, share, and subscribe.